Hello dosto, this is Mohammed Shahzad from RPMB Mobile, and today I am showing you how to clean your RPMB on UFI box. So I have a EMC. I don't know which type of CPU supported, but which model have inbuilt, but it's showing 0 to 38. That is, it supported Qualcomm, and the EMC is Samsung. You must have Samsung EMC. You can update RPMB here, like update EMC RPM from where. So you can update your MMC directly on Samsung on UFI now. So I am using 1.6.0.2334 MMC toolbox of UFI, and I want to update MMC RPMB. So how to clean RPMB and how to know my RPMB is clean or not. So your RPMB showing here 512 KB and provision counter 3788036 times. So this is your RPMB is not clean. So while you have update to RMP, it's showing authentication key not yet program. Okay, let's just I want to clean RPMB. So when you have update your RPMB, you must have note that first you have backup the dump file. So how much content on dump file? So that case you have taken out exdcxd user area boot 1 boot 2 and RPMB. You have to include it the dump backup file, and also you have backup the user area part on your security file, like this pink color showing on your hair, like pink color, it's a security file. Modem fsg, modem fs1, modem fs2, it is your security file. You have to back up this one first, and after you can update your mmc. So I have already backup, so now I'm showing you my backup on your ufi directory c drive. So this is our backup directory of your files, eMMC, and how to know which one your model. So it's not showing any model. So go on other option. You will get your MMC name M8G2YC. Check your MMC name M8G2YC. Yes, this is your backup file, and I have already backuped our term. So this is our boot 1, boot 2, exdcxd, and user area. I have backup two file of user area, but we need 512. And also I have already backup of modem file. This is our security file. So while you have update EMC firmware, you have already backup first your dump and security file after update EMC firmware. Now I am click update EMC firmware is showing which one you want to. So I want to click on new. Always click on new and OK. It's showing after cleaning process, all the device content will be erased. So you have backup first after click yes. So I have already backup of dump and security file. That's why I can backup. If you're not backup your MMC, so it will be totally erase your MMC and it will be destroy. So you have first backup your dump file as well as security file. Both are file you have backup first. After clean here, update MMC firmware, and your MMC is after shorting it will be clean RPMB. Now it is processing. So now it is processing for done RPMB is function going on. And last one programming CID is done. Now identify again and check the what the changes here after update MMC firmware. And guys, now it's showing authentication key not yet program. That means you have to already clean your RPMB. So this is a method you can try on your shop. So it is a method of how to clean RPMB on your box of any Samsung eMMC. Next, you have to RPMB clean. You can backup of your you can write the backup file like your dump and security. So these are process you can clean your RPMB on your file. Thank you very much for the watching.